I'm back. Why wouldn't I be back? My mother's in the hospital. I'm going to pay her a visit.
I know, but 2 days in a row? You didn't have to do this.
My mother. What wouldn't I do for you?
You know what you could do? I haven't eaten lunch or dinner. I can't eat this hospital food. Maybe you could run down to the deli and get me a sandwich.
You got it, Ma. A little later.
Could you go now, Georgie? I'm very hungry. I'm weak.
Well, wait a little while, Ma. What's the difference?
I don't understand why you can't do this for me.
I just got here, Ma. I'd like to spend a little time with you.
But if you wait, they won't let you back in. Visiting hours are almost over.
10 minutes. Here, have some Tic Tacs.
Get the hell out of here. I'm sorry you came.
6:30, time for your bath.